Okay, in this video, I'm just going to quickly show you inside of the Nomad Affiliate Academy. So basically, you should have come along here and watched each of the 3 videos from the Nomad Brad, and you're here now. We are actually just completing a temporary video holding space here because we've organized to have a chat with Brad and record an interview with him to talk all about his program. We attended one of his Q&A sessions last week. We're kind of in on the inside and just looking at everything for you, and basically just wanted to do an honest review. So the interview will be added to here as well, but in the meantime, let's actually have a look inside the members area. So to get started with, you definitely need to go through the welcome and the big picture. But then what happens is each of the videos are quite short, bite-sized little chunks of information for you to get a hold of. And as you've discovered through the 3-part video series, he talks about the 3 pillars being YouTube, Facebook groups, and blogs, and making that decision on which one it is that you're going to start with, because the overall goal is that within 4 weeks you'll be actually earning that first $100 a day. Now if you get it done quicker, that's awesome, but this is literally the step-by-step. So as you go through the week 0, the actual affiliate fundamentals, this is about understanding what it's all about. This is about coming through here and having a look and sort of going, right, which of these pillars is the one that I'm going to do? Will it be YouTube? Will it be the Facebook groups? Or will it be the blogs? And just really understanding the concept of what you're doing. As Brad said at the very start of this whole series, affiliate marketing has 0 to do with selling anything. In fact, most of the most successful affiliate marketers are probably the worst salespeople on the planet. They literally are the people that can drive traffic. So if you drive enough traffic to any of the offers that it is that you're actually wanting to get behind, then mathematics, the law of science and mathematics takes over, and everything that Brad talks about in here, especially when it comes to picking your niche, he's actually going to be showing you, as with the download of the niches, what are the hottest ones. Don't go out there and try and start your very first campaign on a little known niche with a little known product that has no statistics on what is actually being sold or how well it's selling. Just go to what is selling and just become a part of it. There is literally enough traffic and enough opportunities out there for everybody. So this is the stuff you can get your teeth into straight away, just really getting your head around this. And of course, any questions at any time, you come along and you join the Facebook group. You actually get involved in the Facebook group and then attend the, here it is here, join the Facebook group and attend the weekly Q&A sessions. You're not going to learn this overnight. So that's it for us at the moment. Basically, you just need to come through and join up the affiliate marketing machine. So either click the button at the top of the page here, scroll down, you can get the profitable niche list here, and otherwise just come and join us. Get your first access, be there ready for the next Q&A call next week, and yeah, we look forward to seeing you on the inside. It is definitely well worth the investment, and affiliate marketing is definitely well worth the skill set of learning how to drive traffic. Okay, we'll see you inside.